being on the government side or being on the housing board, we try to, and even what the at the national level the agenda is to give houses to the homeless, to houses to the needy, or who cannot afford a house, affordable housing, that is what we call it. Today it is out of the reach to the Goans, and mostly you see the clientele, mostly from outside, or a second retirement home, all these kind of things you see. So it is appeal to the vendors as well as to the construction company to look into this aspect of construction also.
First and foremost, I would like to congratulate Syndicate Bank for taking this initiative, for organizing this. Because in today's world, where the banks are acting very strong and stubborn, I think a hand has come forward from Syndicate Bank for the Goan home buyers. Thank you, Syndicate Bank. We want the support, the Goan society wants the support of all big banks to help us this way in order to help the industry. On behalf of Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industries, I would like to heartily thank you and look forward to such initiatives for betterment of not only the real estate industry but overall trade and commerce in the state of Goa.
Mr. Pujari and his team, his daughter and his son, I know, are going the extra mile to do this. Keep doing on more great events for the state of Goa. To all you wonderful builders, I hope you get good buyers today and you liquidate a significant portion of the inventory, which I'm sure you know what is happening. And to all you lovely buyers, if you are around in the audience, there are some good builders here. Please pick and choose wisely and enjoy your dream home.
Working closely with Syndicate Bank and all the people over here. Syndicate Bank has been in the forefront of granting housing loans. However, I would like to make a request to the managers over here to also consider project finance and construction finance for us developers, without which we would not be able to give the service that we give to all the other people. I thank you. I thank Manjunath Pujari and his team for giving us this opportunity.
All over India, from first week, I think first June se, we are conducting Home Expo in almost all major cities. So in Banaji, I think our regional office, led by Shashidhar Acharya and Rajnish, they took initiative and they well organized. They brought reputed builders from Goa state. And regarding our bank, I wish to tell, because you told something and you also told something. And our bank, we have a good presence almost all over India. We have 4,000 branches spread across the whole country. And regarding the ranking of our bank, one is to the other area, we can tell the performance wise we are doing very well. And recently Forbes magazines given a ranking of all the top 500 banks all over the world. In that, in India, #1 rank is India ranking among